Ready? Hey guys, if you've never seen my face before, my name is Safiyah. Welcome to my channel. It's So I'm currently sitting in my car outside of Walmart. We're about to head in and pick up some stuff for a little paint and sip that we're doing today. So we're gonna go to the dollar store for the canvases for the stuff to paint, and we're at Walmart to get the stuff to sip. So let's go. Hot chocolate, because this is the only one Walmart had. I don't know why their hot chocolate shelves were empty. Also, there's marshmallows on the container, and something tells me there's no marshmallows in here. So let's find out. I don't know that you made eye contact when you did that. Okay guys, so let's get to painting. Holiday art. Easy. So like, this would be so cool, but that is too much work. Guys, she can't do that. I don't know if you can see that. She cannot do that. You're negative. Honestly, yeah. You're not negative. You're putting me down. Okay. Okay. Paint and sip. I always thought it was paint and sip. Every single time you say it. Yeah, literally every time you say it. I still think you're saying paint and sip. Yeah. Really? Yeah. Wait, can I have a tiny brush? Never mind. I saved that for myself actually, and you took this from me. I never took that from you. It was beside me. No, it wasn't. Yes, it's a big bunch of things, and I got this like 10 minutes. You took that from me. I didn't take you. Guys, it's not that good. Fine. It's a cute little nose. You see? I thought it looks kind of crazy. It doesn't look like that. Yes, it does. Okay. It literally does. Yeah, calm down. No, look though. I looked. Shayda, look. It looks just like it. Literally. Does it though? Okay. Maybe like I'm not seeing it. Maybe this part can be a little rounder. Shayda, are you done? Like your background is staying white? Like you're done? Yeah, I'm almost done. Crazy. I feel like mine has been looking like this for the past like 10 minutes. Yeah. Okay, I'm just scared to do the eyes. Like I don't know what to do. Okay, guys, I don't know. Shayda.
So was it neuroscience? I don't know. If you put the eye right there, then the other eye has to be bigger.
I know, but like I don't know what to do right now. Why'd you almost start crying just then? Can we talk about that? Q?
Yeah.
Let me call you back.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
We should do another karaoke. You're not gonna call back.
Whoa. Don't do that. Hey. How y'all doing? So if you've been keeping up with my YouTube channel, you would see that I was doing Vlogmas, and then you would see that I stopped doing Vlogmas. And yeah, that's exactly what happened. I decided I was gonna stop doing Vlogmas because it's hard, honestly. I knew it was gonna be hard, and I still planned on doing it. I still thought I could do it, but it's like even harder than I anticipated. I don't know. And I didn't anticipate like something coming up where I'm like, okay, well now I can't film, or something coming up where like, okay, this takes away time from me editing. So I very quickly found myself falling behind by like day 5. I always try to stay active on all 3, like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. And it's like, okay, now my Instagram and TikTok are like falling off, but then my YouTube's doing good. It's just not having everything be doing good and being consistent on everything, which just discouraging me, honestly. And then I started to do Vlogmas and my views were like lower than they were on my regular videos. It was just stressful and discouraging, and I feel like really quickly it became no longer fun. I love to film, I love to edit my videos. When the pressure started getting worse, then like it wasn't as fun anymore. I do still kind of want to get some more holiday videos up for you guys though, so I think I'm gonna switch to like weekly Vlogmas. So you guys will still be getting a video every week. But yeah, Vlogmas unfortunately didn't work out for me, which I'm very sad about, but I'm trying not to beat myself up about because it's my first time. At least I tried. Feel free to still comment some video ideas below, some things that you want to see for the rest of December, or even some content for the new year. I'm already starting to plan my January content. I hope you guys still enjoyed the videos. I hope you guys enjoyed the week of content while it lasted. But yeah, that's it. Let's get back to the video. Good morning, guys. I just finished getting ready and I'm pretty much on my way out the door. I'm about to head to the mall. So I have some things to return, some money to get back. Pretty much all of this is Christmas gifts that I bought that like sizes didn't work out or like things like that. But I'm pretty much done. If you watched like my previous Vlogmas videos, you would have saw like my shopping one, that we are just doing Secret Santa. So I only have to buy a gift like in my family for one person technically. So I'm almost done buying all of that person's gift. So I need my hands to bring everything to the car. So let's just go. So I'm here trying to go to the mall, but my tire is flat. So now I'm at the mechanic. Just girly things.
I'm a merry little Christmas love. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up, 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 up. We go, we go.
So I just got back from the mall, changed into the PJs immediately. But let me just show you guys quickly what I got. Show you the stuff that I got for myself when I had no plans to spend any money on myself. So I went to Spring and I ended up getting a new pair of knee-high boots because I got these ones from Aldo, and I'll show you the differences between them. So these are the ones you guys saw me trying on in the store, and these are the ones that I have from Aldo. Kind of similar, but they're all leather and they have more of a chunky base at the bottom. But I feel like that's what I didn't like. I feel like the base is just a little too chunky for me. So I think I'm gonna return these ones, which I actually meant to bring to the mall just in case I found another one, but I forgot to bring these, so I'm gonna have to go back another day. And then next I ended up getting this pajama set, and I just thought it was super cute. It's very soft, which I love. Little striped button-up shirt, and then it comes with the matching pants. So cute. It's a new pair of pajamas. Real quick. Let's just take the nails real quick. They are so cute. I wanted something with the holiday vibes, but I also just wanted something simple, nothing too crazy. I feel like this is perfect. So cute. But it is now 4:35 p.m. and we're about to go get my lashes done. We're doing a little holiday maintenance here at the end of this video, which is so crazy. I feel like December just started, but Christmas is in less than 2 weeks. It's literally next weekend. So I wanted to get some maintenance done. My nails, we're about to go do my lashes, just so that when everyone like comes over for Christmas, like I'm just looking effortlessly cute. Let me show you guys a little before of the lashes. This is what we're currently looking like. They're not that bad. Not that bad, you know, some sparse areas here, and they could just be fuller. I think this is about 3 weeks. Yeah, I think this is 3 weeks. Usually I like to get my lashes done every 3 weeks. But yeah, let me go throw something on real quick and let's go get these lashes done. So I'm back home. I just finished my lashes. It's now like 8:42 at night. Here are the finished lashes. I actually just hated that close-up because I'm not loving my skin right now. But whatever. We're not focusing on that. We're supposed to be focusing on the lashes. But yeah, lashes are done. Nails are done. Looking real cute. And that is it for today, honestly. And that is also it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed little Vlogmas week 2. I'm gonna call this week 2 since I did daily for the first week. So essentially this is the second week. So I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas week 2. If you guys did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok to get triple the content from me. And I'll see you guys next week, Friday, with another new video. Bye!